With the big basketball fanatics and to welcome their finals of its senior division in the battle between Centro Idols versus Team Onomixers. And now let's meet the primary protagonists for both teams. First, for Onomixers, wearing jersey number 6, Gerald Kimson Castro. Jersey number 25, Marvin Astria. Jersey number 28, Raymar Carando. Jersey number 29, Justin Canila. And to complete the first 5 is jersey number 10, Samuel Montares. And the first 5 for Centro Idols, jersey number 12, John Ray Soriano. Jersey number 15, Esther Malintao. Jersey number 11, Edwin Bacari. Jersey number 28, Samsam Rosario. And to complete the first 5 is jersey number 24, Aman Manise. First possession for jersey number 5, running down pass to Rosario to Weiss. For 25, pass inside, bounce pass to Castro out of bounds. For 28, pass number 5. Ball check, recover by number 5. Balik down, golden pass. Out of bounds, 11 second shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Steal number 12, that to shoot. Lucky bounce, 2 points. Number 28 to the ball. Number 28, pass number 6. Team Santos for 3 na good. Ball tap number 24, Manise. Out of bounds. Centro Idols basketball. Number 5, pass to number 12, Soriano. Mid-range, 2 points. 6 down to 0 guard. Number 5, pass to number 6, Castro. Attacks the paint, kick out pass to Carrano, goes for 3. Still no good, rebound number 5. Balik daw. Receives by Rosario, out of bounds, same ball tayo. Number 12, pass number 28, that's the pass number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12, Soriano, 5 to shoot. Number 24. 24, second shot clock violation. Number 29, kanilang drop pass. Number 10, lays it up, no good pa rin. Rebound number 12, Soriano. Here comes the Centro Idol, Soriano, pass number 5. Almost and intercepted by number 25. Drop pass number 29, still no good. Austria, 2 points. Number 25. 24, Manise on the cross, drop pass, out of bounds, on the Mixers basketball. Castro, no look pass, kanilang catches fakes. Kanilang pa rin, out of bounds, single tayo, 13 second shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. Nice pass sa kanilang 10 to shoot, pulls up 2 points for number 49.
Soriano bounce pass to number 11. Bacani back to Soriano. Long 2. Yes, sir. 2 points. Asti pulls up, gets the basket. May kasamang foul. Jersey number 11. Bacani hit to the head. Bonus free throw number 6. Bonus throw, no good. Rebound number 39. Kanilang put back to points. That lock 8er. Okay.
Meron yung mga silo.
Four minutes and 38 seconds. Goes up to points. Bacani number 11. Number 6. Advance. Austria all alone, no good. Ball tap number 25. Austria pa rin. Goes up to points. Then locked in time. Foul jersey number 10. 2 shots. First throw is good. Number 6 penetrates 2 points. James Weaver tayo. 1 point lead. Uno Mixers. Number 5. Going for his teammate, pass to number 11, receives by number 12, Soriano. 10 seconds to shoot. Manise attacks the baseline, no good, and there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 10, Wandares. Second foul, number 10. 2 shot. First throw is good.
Ano pangalan mo yan?
No good in the second row, rebound number 10, 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Advance. Number 10 out. Number 12 lead for Uno Mixers.
Ay, hindi tumayo.
Aranda drives the points. Soriano reverse the points. Then clock 14 time. Minutes, 33 seconds, time running first play, number 5, sidestep. Out of bounds, Uno Mixers basketball. Points to be gotten on. Number 6, pass break, goes to number 12. Number 4, goes to see the ball. Recovers it, pass inside, Bacani, triple team, no good. Wala pa rin, rebound number 28, Rosario Bexa, 2 points. Nagkak 16 tayo, Aranda sidestep. Recovers the ball, pass number 25, Austria. Kick out pass to number 6 from downtown, no good, rebound number 11. Bounce, Ulu Mixers basketball. 1 minute 20 seconds. The 28 Carranta attacks the paint, back shot, no good. Ball back to number 25. 2 points. James Weaver. 1 minute and 5 seconds time remaining. Money say number 24, big back steal by number 25. Austria, the number 12, next TV. Drop pass to number 25, declines. Back to back basket to number 25, 50 seconds tayo. Rosario. Another steal for Ulu Mixers. Out of bounds. 39 seconds tayo, 39 seconds. We got 8, Rosario inside, ball loose, Taliban number 6, Castro. All around, drives, jack pass number 6, extra pass number 28, 2 points. 20 seconds. Sorry, number 12, back and pass. Rosario, 2-step, drop pass. Malik down, no good. 10 seconds. Soriano 100, too strong. 5 seconds. Sable tayo, 4.9 seconds. 4.8 rather, 4.8. Breakdown bounce. 3 seconds. Arranto. And the first quarter scored